Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and overall performance to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 Ls, which is significantly smaller and better suited for delicate items or small laundry loads. If you frequently wash larger items, the BANGSON is the clear winner here. When it comes to portability, the BANGSON machine weighs 28 pounds and is bulkier, making it less convenient for travels. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and features a foldable design, making it easy to transport and store. For those who need a washing machine on the go, the portable washing machine is the better choice. Price is another significant factor to consider. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is priced at $139, which reflects its larger capacity and features. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at $59, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for light laundry needs, the portable washing machine is the way to go. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The BANGSON is ideal for larger loads and offers more features, while the portable washing machine excels in portability and affordability. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.